Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Now TV not working on Smart TV, app network and device fixes. Fix 1. Power cycle your TV. You just have to turn off your TV using the remote. Unplug the power cable directly from the wall outlet. Hold the physical power button on the TV itself for 30 seconds to drain any remaining power. Then you have to wait for 2 minutes, then plug the TV back in and turn it on. Fix 2. Delete and reinstall the Now app. You just have to navigate to your TV's apps or home menu, then find your Now app icon. You just have to press and hold the select or OK button on your remote until a menu appears. Select delete or uninstall, then restart your TV once more and open the TV's app store like Samsung Galaxy Store, LG Content Store, or Google Play Store. Search for Now and select Install. Fix 3. Check and fix your TV clock. Open your TV settings and navigate to General or System. Select time or date and time. Ensure the setting is switched to automatic. If the time is incorrect, switch to manual. Set the exact current time and time zone. Fix 4. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug your internet router from the wall and wait for 60 seconds. Plug it back in and wait for all the lights to turn green. Reconnect your TV to your network and try to open the app. Fix 5. Update your TV software. Open your TV setting. Select Support, About or System. Choose Software Update or System Update. Then click on the Update Now or check for updates. Let the TV download the update and reboot. Thanks for watching.